We discussed basic level functions of Google Sheets. I discussed advanced features of Google Sheets. I discussed query function. I discussed array formula. I discussed VLOOKUP and many forms of VLOOKUP. I used ISNA function to find out the default address. So, in the same sequence, today I'm going to discuss a new function with different scenario. So, let's move to our Google Sheet. Myself, KK Singh, and I am a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. And so today, in today's discussion, I'll discuss the index function. The index function, and along with the index, because we have been doing many uh, episodes on VLOOKUP. So, if you observed that VLOOKUP, uh, processing of VLOOKUP is always left to right, correct? So we have to grab the value from the left side of the area of the array, whereas there is no provision of picking the value from right side or from mid. So this is the problem, and to overcome this problem, we have come across a new function that is called the index. So index basically gives the value whichever reference is declared, whether this is horizontal or the vertical. So I'm going to discuss here a small example of index. For example, if I see here, I have created two snapshots. Here in this column, index is written, and here I'm going to apply index. Index. If I now it asks for reference, so I'm going to give the reference here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to give the reference here index. For the reference, I'm taking the reference. Suppose this is the reference. Now it asks for the row, means it gives the value of the index you specify, means the index should be the combination of, or you can say the intersection of row and column. So over here, since I have selected only one column, so there is no need to specify the column, because row is must and column is optional. Because if you see here, B1 to B41, so this is column B, and what I am going to find out, I'll have to give the row number. So if I give the row number, because this is only one column, so there is no no need to provide a column number. So only one column, or you can say that only one data source of one column, so there is no need to put up column number and row number both. So here I am going to simply provide a value which indicates the row number. Suppose I give the 4 and close the parenthesis and press enter. So see here, it gives a name, because there was only one column, and you'll have to mention uh, any index. On that index, it returns a value. So my range was, or my reference was, this B column. On B column, I gave. So if you count, if you check what is, because my output is this word. See here, this word is my output. If you see here, and index which I row number which I gave is 4. So what is on fourth row? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this person is displayed as output. So this time I have selected only one range of, or you can say the array of the column, and I can change it to, this time I selected one column, and now I'm going to select the entire row, and from that row, if I want to uh, find out the value using index, let me see and see the example here. Suppose, so I'm giving the index is equal to index. This time I am taking the single row. So since there is only one row, so there is no need to mention any row because this is only one row. But here you can mention the column number, which column you want to find out or which column value you want. So I give here also 4 and simply press or close the parenthesis. Let me see what does it give. So it give father's name on fourth. So this gives father name. And if I change this, say 5, now it gives house. Correct? So we can use vertically or horizontally, you can say the single array, single dimensional array. Row, single row, but different indexes. Vertically, single column and single index. So this way, if you are using this index in one dimensional way, you can use horizontally and vertically. Now it's uh, along with the index function, there is another function we can uh, add with, like if I give the name, okay, if I give the name here, what should be the admission number? Correct? So if I want to find out, suppose there is a name like Ansh, this is the data I'm going to give, and I want to find out the admission number from this range. Okay, so what to do here? So at this time I'll use another function called match. We have discussed match in some couple of videos, which gives the number, which gives the number of the item. So same here I'm going to apply, because first we have to find out what. We have to find out the admission number. So what is the column number? So let's move to this. So this is the column number, and here I have to find out or mention the match so that exact name admission number can be picked out. Okay, so match, what do you want to search? Match what? Match is this value. I want to s- find out the position of this value. Where? What is the range in which I want to find out O3? The range is this. In this range, I want to find out for the exact match, and close the parenthesis and close for index. Both the parentheses are closed, and press enter. Let me see what happens. So see here. So what is the admission number of this person? So this way I try to find out the admission number. So admission number is available in which column? A column. In A column. And whom admission number I want to find out? This person. And this person is available where? In B column. And that is why I wanted to find out the admission number in this array, and want to find out this value which I have mentioned here in this array, you know, I'm sorry, in this array, B array. And the for exact match, I gave 0 and closed the parenthesis, and I found out my exact output. So if I suppose change the name, suppose I give, let's see. So this is hers, her admission number. If I give, suppose, this person, the number is changed. If I give, suppose, Tanu, this is the admission number. So automatically it gives the index or gives the value of the particular index. So this is very useful function, and this is maybe this could be the alternative of VLOOKUP. So this is just the beginning of the series of index. We'll create more videos on index and match. So I hope this is actually this is very simple function, and I hope you understood the concept, and you try, practice it, and find out how to apply this index function. So we'll cover more videos or more scenarios in my next other videos or coming videos. Then you'll find out the gravity of this function. Which function? Index and match. So hope you like this concept, and if you like the concept, kindly share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you get the notification as and when new video is created, provided you press the bell icon. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.